Hey guys, it's Brendan with Speeder Baits, and today we're going to do a little bit of fishing at the home pond. Might throw in a little bit of tips in there for bass fishing in a pond. With all that said, let's go ahead and hop into the video. Okay guys, so what we're doing right now is we're just going to go ahead and throw around just a regular trick worm. I'm not doing a drop shot right now, but not just like a drop shot, but the hook is really like a drop shot. I don't know if I'm using a drop shot. Yeah, so the hook looks like a drop shot. So the way I like to rig these most of the time is just put it through the lip, like right here. And I think I'm just going to do that again right now. Earlier I had it like that on a different type of... Big person on fishing a pit boss on the top of the water, and I fished it. I was getting hit by him. Like this fish is stupid. I was getting hit by him by like some structure. He was just kind of nabbing at it. So I took it. I threw it over there. Started playing with it. Pit boss on top water. It exploded like this little fish, dude. He's not that big. He's got a stomach. I'm not even gonna lie, but he freaking exploded on that fish. Let's go ahead and get a picture. Get the weight, and then we'll get him back in the water. We just caught a 2-pound, 20-ounce fish. Big stomach, 2-pound fish. Let's go ahead and get a picture and we'll put him back in the... Come on, catch your breath there, buddy. Come on. There you go. Come on. I'm actually going to let you go over here, buddy. Here. Get your right tail. I'll get you right here. Here you go. Perfect spot for you to get around. Now you just got to go get bigger, and let's just look at the belly on that fish though. I'm not even gonna lie, that's a big belly. But just go have some fun. I feel like you've been eating all day. Yeah, you go off there, buddy. Yeah, right there. I do not want to catch too many bass today. Well, because I forgot. Wait a second. No, I didn't actually forget. Online tournament. This April 15th or 17th this was filmed April 12th, and I want to keep the bass in this pond good because this is where I'm going to fish for my online tournament that actually I'm hosting. If you want to be in this tournament, it's either weight or length, guys. Weight or length. It's crawdad. Anyways, kiss on that fish. Either weight or length, preferably length, please. Preferably weight. Please do weight. Just do it, okay? And nothing much else to say, so we will see y'all back. It was Beater Baits, just got a fish, and we'll see you later.